Hi, this is Annette from tipsfromatypicalmom.blogspot.com, and today we're going to do a twisted waterfall braid. So you can start with straight or curly hair. I think it would be prettier with curly hair, but we're doing straight hair today for school. And what you're going to do is just start over on the side where the hair is parted towards, where it's more thick. And you're just going to grab a little bit of hair. And you're going to twist it. And then you're going to grab some hair underneath. Just kind of like the twisted bangs that we did earlier. But instead of keeping a hold of this hair, you're going to drop it down. And I'm going to let her hold on to that. And then I'm going to twist this hair. And then I'm going to grab some more hair underneath. And I'm going to twist it over the top. I'm going to let her hold that hair. And then twist again. Grab some hair underneath. Twist it over. And let her hold. You can put them all in one bunch, Amara. And then twist. And hold. And go over and hold. Twist it. You can start holding with this side, I guess. And twist. That's not going to work. It needs to be over here. Okay, let's twist your body a little. Then the only thing you need for this hairdo is either a little ponytail holder to finish it off or 2 bobby pins to crisscross over each other. Here. When you get to the end, turn towards me. You're just going to twist this part right here like that. And then we're going to put 2 bobby pins in it to hold it. You can let go. Now her hair is really fine. It's really smooth. It's really clean right now, so it's kind of falling out of the twists, but if it was curled, it would be able to hold these a little better. So for the ones that are coming out, you just go over and probably pull them down a little bit and maybe bobby pin them so that they stay. And I just pulled them down tighter, and then you can see, spin around again. It's really pretty.